Hi guys, I'm finally back and we definitely have to talk about Bitcoin today because here's something happening that hasn't happened since March this year, which is a really critical point for Bitcoin right now as we are at the verge to a massive bull run or a further correction to the downside. So you should definitely stick around if you want to know what I'm talking about, and definitely smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates, especially when I'm back right now. And let's get here directly into the charts, guys. So first of all, I want to talk about the 1 hourly time frame, because Bitcoin is clearly in a trading in a range here right now, since we have broken here above 23,400 dollars approximately. So, and all the way up to $24,300 approximately. So yeah, you can see here. So that is kind of the range where the price is here bouncing up and down right now. So, and when we're looking at the stochastic RSI, we could potentially see another retest of the $23,400 level before we see here then potential bounce back to the upside to attack resistance. So that could be just another move to confirm a former resistance now turned into support with a bounce here back to the upside, and that would give us also a possibility to open here a potential long position at the $23,400 level. That is especially something that I'm looking out for right now. And if we should break here for any reasons into higher levels, then another long position entry would be for me around here, the $23,900 level. So that is another level where I would potentially take a long position if we are not coming back down and then bounce to the upside, and to rather directly turn around and go here all the way higher. I would definitely open these long positions here on Bybit, Bitget, and on Phemex. You can see here on Phemex, actually I have already $5,000 lying around for this. I will top my account here a little bit up. Also on Bybit I have to do that to take these long positions. Don't forget, guys, if you go to Bybit, you still get $4,450 with that specific link here. Only with my specific link you can claim this bonus. And on Bitget you get up to $8,000 and 15% discount on fees. That is the highest bonus that Bitget is giving out, and I had to negotiate really hard for you guys to get this bonus. There are only maybe 4 or 5 people in the world that have this bonus, and I am one of them. So you should definitely take advantage of that. Or on Phemex, they also used to get $4,100 with my specific link here. So now back to the Bitcoin chart, because I want to talk about what is here unfolding, which hasn't happened since March last year. And let me go, this year. Let me go back to March for this. So when we go back here to March last year, so, and that is that the Bitcoin price was above the EMA ribbon. So the EMA ribbon was here in a downtrend, here in a downtrend. So, and you can also see this with the price being under the ribbon most of the time. So, but here in March, end of March, the Bitcoin price broke above the ribbon. The ribbon flipped, and we stayed for a short while above the ribbon before it flipped bearish here again. So now we are, for the first time since March, again slightly above the ribbon. If we zoom in here, you can see here we are here clearly above the ribbon right now. So, and also the yellow string is slowly working its way into the ribbon for a potential flip here. But we are also running here into multiple resistance levels. Here the $23,800 level more or less is a really big resistance level for Bitcoin. Actually, let me make this another color. You guys can see it better. So here this is a really key resistance area for the Bitcoin price. And let me also show you here quickly why. I will just take the EMA ribbon away. So here, when we're looking at it, this area down here, that was the area from where we have the last time started this massive bull run here to the upside, after we broke approximately $24,000. And that is exactly the level where we are also sitting right now. So, and yeah, as that was in the past already heavily resistance, right now we can experience that here again when we look at the candles that we are seeing here on the 1 hourly chart, that this is once again a key resistance area, because we see here all these massive wicks here to the upside. But nonetheless, we should also not ignore that Bitcoin is in a clear uptrend here, because we have here higher lows along the way, and also we create here exponential higher highs. So, and that gives us a clear indication that Bitcoin is right now in a really nice uptrend, as long as we keep this trajectory. So, and guys, as you know, the trend is your friend until the end. So, and that's why I'm looking here for a potential long position if we break here above $23,800, or if we come down a little bit, then $23,400. What are my potential targets here? So if we break these key area, then on the daily time frame, my next technical target would be here in that kind of range. So here in this range, I would definitely take some profits, or at least raise my stop loss to potential here $26,800. Otherwise, take profit points are around 28,700 and 30,700 ish. In that kind of area, I would look for potential take profit points once we are breaking here clearly above $23,800. So, but I also want to mention that I tend to see more right now a small correction to the downside when I look here on the stochastic RSI, because we are about to getting here a sell signal, and we are also here at a quite high level, so we are slightly overbought here. So we should expect first the Bitcoin price to come down a little bit, potentially to $23,000, $23,400, and then see a potential bounce here back to the upside in the next coming days. Guys, that's it for today already. I hope you enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much for watching here once again. I will of course be tomorrow back again with another video, I hope with a little bit less coughing. Every day it's getting better. But guys, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.